Hey guys, Pop Scrap here. Today we're stripping out this kind of chandelier. Not too sure if it's brass. I don't think it is. I think it's a lot of aluminium, steel, cast aluminium and steel. I think these are even these are maybe a bit of brass. I started messing with one. I don't think it. I think it's aluminium coated in gold kind of colour. But we'll take it apart and see what we can get out of it. I think this is brass anyway. That's definitely a bit of brass here. Yeah, that's a bit of brass. Let's try and take this apart from these bolts first. Using this bolt. Back in the can, test that. Steel. This thing won't be easy to take apart anyway, I can tell you this. Let's see. Turn the tap, we'll take this off first, break this off. Bit of wire in it though. Let's see, where are we here? This one. These are different links, so to open up a link. So I can separate this. Test this with a magnet. Sticks. That doesn't stick, so I presume this is aluminium or brass. Could be just more aluminium, I'd say, than brass, maybe. I haven't got a file on me to test it at the minute. It's a piece of brass from the cable, piece of steel, piece of wire. Just should come out. Yeah, put that all over there. The good stuff. This is rubbish. This should pop out. Here we go. Should be the same. Should be non-magnetic. Yep. So it all comes off in layers. Steel again. More bolts. I'm coming down with the flu, guys. What should I rock it? It's the time of year for it. Cut that piece of wire off. Let's see how I'm going to get into this. Try not to ruin the threads. Tilt you up a bit. You can see a bit more going on. There we go. Try and bend it, a bit of brute force. Should turn. Something's happening. like a whisker. Okay, what's this? Oh, now we're getting somewhere. What's this? More steel. Wire and stuff. We'll open this up here now and have a look at it. Get more wire than I thought actually in this. Cut bits and pieces here. They're pretty difficult to take apart, these. Very fidgety. This wire should pull, yeah, there we go. Pull through and just cut this here. This wire, more wire. That's all rubbish. So I'll have to undo these bolts one by one. This won't go in, will it? No. Let's see. There we go. Sticks, steel. I'm gonna get rough and ready with this. So you don't want to put too much time into it for what you're getting out of it. If I was outside, this would be stripped 5 minutes ago. I had to batter the hammers and stuff. We're still getting a bit of wire out of it. So take the wire as I go. Now, this should turn. A lot of bolts and unscrewing things. And yeah. Is this steel or aluminium or steel again? There's bits of brass in there and that. Cut this as it is. And I'll fold this in. We'll sell that as brass. Do this with the same again. If I can tighten it. There we go. Take a bit of persuasion. What we got there. The wire. Cut it. Bend it. So we're taking it to the scraper and hiding that kind of little bit what's inside it. It's all steel. Getting there. It's a lot more steel than I thought. I thought this was brass when I got it first. But I'm wrong. Now what's this? This comes off. And look at cast. Over to the side, nice bit of lump, getting a nice bit of cast. Should come off now handy enough. Usually I would have all this broke up, I would, if I wasn't making a video. It'd be gone straight away, I would. But it's good to know how to take these apart the way I'm taking them apart. Need a bit of persuasion again. That was well in there, that was. So there, that's clean cast aluminium. It's my scrap here takes all aluminium as it is, so it's good. Yeah, cast. Nice weight to it too. So much cleaning to do to these. Right, twist this again. Nice little piece of wire in this again, length wire. Good stuff in it. I was surprised actually. If it was brass, it'd been very nice, but can't have it everywhere. Okay, that's all the rubbish took off it. We'll have to check any of it, I know what it is. Pull this wire through. Let's clean cast again. Nearly there, guys. It's been a bit stubborn. Open up this a bit. Too much. That'll do. Bend it in with my hand. No way will that bend in with my hand. There we go. Now, do this. Yeah, there we go. The rubbish, there's the good stuff. Now, what's that? I wonder. The good stuff or not? Maybe have a look. That's steel, but these are little bits of cast that's stuck to it. Is it bad or is it worth taking off? Piece nice cast again. So it comes apart, different always. Right. There we go. So rubbish, good stuff. and I'll hit them with a hammer, guys, when I get outside. But yeah, I'll show you here quick. A lot of steel in it, as you can see. Bar these little piece of cast I'll take off with a hammer when I get outside during the day. A piece of good stuff. But yeah, I was disappointed with this. It's an old, as old as it was. Really was. I got some lovely ones of these before in brass. But yeah, it's nothing really worth talking about. In good stuff, couple of pound, maybe £3 in aluminium and bits of brass and bits of wire, so I can't complain. Got a few bits there. So that's that video, guys. I know it's went on a bit, but look, no harm. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Take it easy.